Is YouTube SEO too confusing for you? Yet I get it. I've been doing that manually for a long time, and it's so hard to get everything on track if you do things manually. So today, I'm going to introduce you two tools that you can use to really make optimizing your videos easy. So the first tool is called VidIQ, and the second tool is called Tube Buddy. So you may wonder why we need two tools, not just one. Well, I want to choose one from them, but some of them, they all share some disadvantage and some advantage. So they work better if you installed two of them. So I want to introduce why. So as you can see, let me introduce VidIQ first. So the best part of VidIQ is that it can automatically recommend the words you have to add to your title. So for example, if I removed dropshipping from here, and it will recommend me, okay, you need to add this keyword because this keyword have a really high search value. So as you can see, it can help you optimize your title, also your description as well. So if there are some really popular keywords, it will just tell you, okay, you should add this keyword to the description. Another good part is that it have this checklist. So for example, if I remove all the tag, right, you can see the score on this checklist will drop from 41 to 0. So it will recommend you what you do, and it will tell you exactly what you should do. So let's see. It say that we need at least one card. So all you have to do is just follow the instruction and add one card to your video, right? And it says that you need at least one end screen. So you just follow the instruction, add one end screen to the video. So it's so easy to follow, right? And it will tell you need keywords, right? You need a tag. So all we have to do is just follow the instruction. So that's what I like VidIQ and why I recommend you to install that. But there's a disadvantage, is that it can help you optimize your tag, but it got a limited amount of quota every month. As you can see, this says that you can optimize 29 more videos this month. So which means if you upload video on a regular basis, you will get limited by this quota. So if you upload the video really regularly, I highly recommend you to install TubeBuddy. So let me introduce TubeBuddy. So as you can see, TubeBuddy can add tags for you for free. Like, you have to pay it monthly, right? But you can add an unlimited amount of tag. It doesn't like limit you to number of videos. So if you upload 2 videos per day, then you can still use that all day long, right? So as you can see, we just click on the keyword, the tag, and it will add it to the tag automatically. And as you can see, at the same time, VidIQ is updating its score live. So as you can see, the synergy between these two plugins is pretty good. They are working together. So if you have these two tools, it works really great. So as you can see, we just add a bunch of tag to the tag part. Then another thing is that if I use TubeBuddy, it's really easy for you to do add card or add end screen. So let me show you. So let's say we have a video and we want to add end screen, right? All you have to do is you want to create a template in advance. Then all you have to do is click on apply template. Then you click on apply, and that's all. So it's so easy for you to just create end screen. And the best part is you can actually just do bulk upload. So maybe you want to update your layout of the end screen or your card. You can just go to your YouTube Studio Then we can do a bulk update. So all you have to do is you check the video you want to update, and you can choose to copy, or you can choose to update, or you can choose to delete the card, the end screen. Even you can update the title and description, and you can update the thumbnail as well. So let me show you. If you want to update the title, all you have to do is, it's just like we are doing at words. So you can find words, right? Then you can replace with another text. Also, you can try to say, okay, I don't want to replace anything, but I want to insert a description at the beginning of all of my video. Then you just choose insert before text. Then you can insert a description before your current description. So that's really easy and powerful. So that's why I recommend you to install these two tools. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to get these two tools, please check the link below. And if you have any questions, be sure to comment on this video. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I will see you soon in the next video.